All right, where's the weapon?
I may not have a gun.
Please, you want that?
Please help her, please.
I got you. We're gonna help her, but we need, is she armed?
No, the knife is on the floor outside them.
It's okay.
Further enough away. He's holding the baby.
All right, where's she at?
She's right here.
Okay, who stabbed her?
She stabbed the baby while the door is locked. She's in one in the house. Where's the suspect? She's
Right there.
She's like,
Go ahead and go.
too. Please, I don't think you should look without doing it. Break your
I
neck.
got you. Sergeant Cherokee. Go ahead and send me in, man.
It's just, they're not gonna shoot.
Did she stab herself?
She's like, move my hand.
Okay.
Yeah, don't move your hand. Don't move your hand.
Just keep pressure on her, okay? I need gloves. You got gloves?
EMS code.
13 Cherokee.
Oh, dang it. EMS.
Hey, get a towel.
What?
Hey,
I mean, it's a police companion, you can, it's okay.
I need a, hey, tell somebody to give me a towel.
You want to stay focused, stupid.
13 Cherokee. Fire stand 23. Where's the baby hurt at? Where's he hurt at?
She got a little poke in her neck.
Okay.
Little poke in her neck.
Little poke on her neck? Okay.
Little pipe?
Hold on. This is the suspect, brother. Go ahead.
Which one? She's the first.
She's the suspect. Well, she slit her throat. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Come on, go upstairs. Come on. I'm gonna stay in my room.
Yeah.
Get them out here, get their information.
I have to get pressure on this woman. She's a slur on
I
throat.
got you. Well, we got, I got a towel. Just give me a towel.
I'm
Just get there 39, bro. Just get there 39. Come on. Take it. Yo. Come on. Go downstairs. Come on.
Quick now, come on, quick.
It's for life. They got.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
He's got. He's got. Relax.
Come on, buddy.
Relax.
Hey,
We got. They're here. They're here. Just.
come on. Come on. Come on.
She stabbed herself in the neck. Yeah.
Where's the cut on it? Where's the cut on it?
Calm down, bro. Yeah. Where's the mother? She's right here.
Where's he? Yes.
Sir, back up out the door now.
Get out of the way.
Get out the door now. Get out the door. Get out the door.
Oh,
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, her neck area. I'm just trying to. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff. She's breathing. I already called Appleton. Hey. Yeah, I already called Hamilton. Your Koski, Hamilton already knows they're out. Hamilton already knows they're out. That's the first thing I did call.
Hey, how you doing?
That's a knife right there.
Yeah, no, we're good.
Okay.
Hey, listen, we're just gonna hold you. Are you breathing okay? Yes, I'll be breathing fine, okay? Yeah, we're just. No, I haven't seen her yet. Okay.
Anything else anywhere?
Hey, listen, let's get happy going. Let's get happy started. What's this, Mountain Vista?
Yeah, 215 Mountain Vista.
No, this is Command Cherokee. What's your last rest number?
I haven't even seen her. I'm just trying to hold her and see them available.
Let me see your hand. Mount Vista Command Cherokee.
Anything else anywhere?
Hey, listen, let's get happy going. Let's get happy started. What's this, Mountain Vista?
Yeah, 215 Mountain Vista.
Mount Vista Command Cherokee. What's your last rest number?
I haven't even seen her. I'm just trying to hold her and see them available.
Let me see your hand. Mount Vista Command Cherokee. How old is she?
I'm not sure. She looks young, 20 something. What, you knew that?
Last rest.
I dropped it on the floor. Yeah, that's enough. So just keep it. Just stay there for a second with the knife.
I'm stopping the video at 7 minutes and
horrendous.
30